In a dense jungle, a hunter sat quietly, hunting for his next prey. Up on a tree, two parrots were laughing and chatting. One said, "Hey, buddy, yesterday your friend ate my food." The other replied, "So, today I'm wise enough to handle it." From above, the wise parrot squawked loudly, "Hunter, stop thinking about hunting! Use your brain instead!" The hunter looked up surprised, while the parrots flew away giggling. The wise parrot added, "In the jungle, it's not just strength that matters, but friendship and cleverness too." The hunter chuckled, packing his bag, thinking, "Wow, today I didn't just learn about hunting, I learned the joy of friendship." The parrot on the tree teased one last time. And hey, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe.